of the symbols, then come to valency. Valency is nothing but combining capacity of an element. Valency. The combining capacity of an element is known as valency. Combining capacity of an element is known as valency. So now I am 3 compounds I am giving. The combining capacity, what is combining capacity? Combining capacity, for example, hydrochloric acid, water, ammonia. 3 compounds are given. How they are combining? According to combining capacity, we can determine the valency. So hydrogen is taken as a valency 1. So here HCl, H2O, NH3, 3 compounds are given. 1 atom of hydrogen is combined with 1 chlorine atom. So the valency of chlorine is 1. Chlorine is determined the valency according to reference of hydrogen. So oxygen, 2 hydrogen atom combined with 1 oxygen atom. So according to reference of hydrogen, the valency of oxygen is 2. Okay. Then third one is ammonia. According to reference of hydrogen, 3 atom of hydrogen is combined with 1 atom of nitrogen. So the valency of nitrogen is 3. Valency of nitrogen is 3. So 3 compounds are given and 3 elements, different elements, 1 common element. According to 1 common element reference to that hydrogen atom, the valency of chlorine is 1, valency of oxygen is 2, valency of nitrogen is 3. Okay. So the problem arises, those elements are not combined with hydrogen. How we determine this valency? This is the second problem which arises. For example, zinc oxide. The valency of zinc is 2 here and oxygen is also 2 here. Also. The valency of zinc is 2 and valency of oxygen is 2. But here is no hydrogen atom. This is no hydrogen atom. So how to determine the valency of zinc? The second definition is coming in how to represent the valency of these elements. Valency is the number of electron of an atom can donate or accept so as to achieve nearest inert gas configuration, that means electronic configuration, nearest inert gas electronic configuration. Valency is the number of electron of an element. Valency, the number of electron donate or accept to form a inert gas configuration or stable gas configuration or stable electronic configuration. That number is known as valency. That number is known as valency. So here valency, the combining capacity of an element is known as valency. Here the number of electron donate or accept to form inert gas configuration or stable electronic configuration, that number is known as valency of that element. element. Now same thing, hydrochloric acid or sodium chloride. Hydrochloric acid, for example, hydrochloric acid. Hydrogen, according to electronic configuration, hydrogen having 1 electron, so KCl contain 1 electron. In chlorine, 17 electron. How many electron? 17 electron. So KCl contain 2, L cell contain 8, M cell contain 7 electron. So according to definition, the number of electron donate, here 1 electron donate by hydrogen, 1 electron donate by hydrogen. After the donate of 1 electron, this became H plus 1. Accept of 1 electron, this became plus 1, this became 8 electron. The number of electron donate or accept to form a inert gas configuration. So here is 8 electron in valence cell. Last cell is known as valence cell. So chlorine contain valence electron 8 electron by the help of 1 electron from out sources, from hydrogen atom. So hydrogen donate 1 electron, this became plus 1 valency. This one getting 1 electron, chlorine getting 1 electron, this is minus 1 valency. Loser is known as plus 1, acceptance is known as minus 1 due to excess electron. This became minus 1, this minus 1 valency and plus 1 valency. In this way you can determine the valency. The another example I want to give now, water, formation of water. Water means H2O. In oxygen, how many electron? Oxygen 8 electron. K cell contain 2, L cell contain 6 electron. In hydrogen 1 electron, so K cell contain 1 electron. So here 2 electron required to nearest inert gas configuration, that means 8 electron in valence cell, 2 electron, this is require 2 electron. 2 hydrogen atom, this 2 hydrogen atom donate 2 electron to oxygen atom, that's why oxygen became 8 electron in the valence cell. Oxygen became minus 2 and hydrogen became plus 1. 1 hydrogen plus 1, 2 hydrogen is 2 plus 1, that is plus 2. So here the valence of oxygen is 2 and valence of hydrogen is here 1. Same thing, formation of sodium chloride. How to determine the valence of sodium and valence of chlorine? I had already told you the valence of chlorine. So this chlorine, how many electron? K cell containing 2, L cell containing 8, M cell containing 7. So in case of sodium, 11 electron, K cell containing 2, L cell containing 8, M cell containing 1. So this 1 electron is donate, this will be accept, this will be plus 1, this will be minus 1, this became 8 in valence cell. After the donor, this is donor. After the donation of 1 electron, this became 8 electron in the valence cell, this became minus 1. Plus 1, this minus 1. Sodium became plus 1, chlorine became minus 1. To form a sodium chloride. So donating, according to definition, valence is nothing but only the elements how many electrons is donated and how many electrons accept to achieve nearest electronic configuration. This is known as valency. This will be sodium donate 1 electron, sodium became plus 1 to attain nearest inert gas configuration, which is near inert gas configuration. This is neon electronic configuration. After adding up 1 electron, chlorine became minus 1 and the valency is also minus 1. This will be argon electronic configuration. This is also 8 electron, this is also 8 electron. This according to definition, the valency you can determine of an unknown element in this way. Okay, the valency, first definition is the valency, the combining capacity of an element is known as valency. Second definition is the elements, the number of electron donating or number of electron is accepting to achieve stable electronic configuration or stable nearest inert gas configuration is known as valency. How many electron donated or how many electron accept. Those are donate, these are known as plus character, plus sign character. Those are accept, this is -1. Due to why? Because of this, for example, sodium donate 1 electron to chlorine. Sodium donate lose electron, donate one electron. This became deficiency of 1 electron. Those are the deficient electron, so positive charge access here. Those are add electron, negative charge access here. That's why this is negative charge here, -1 or -1. This is +1 or +1. Okay, like that also. And also valency, and few elements having variable valency. Few element having variable valency. What is variable valency? Variable valency means one element shows two type of valency. So few elements having variable valency, I will tell now. The copper having cuprous and cupric. Cuprous and cupric. Copper valency is +1 and +2. Two type of valency. And silver +1 and +2. +1, +2. And also mercury +1, +2. Mercury Hg +1, +2. And also iron, ferrum is coming from ferrum. This is also +2 and +3. +2, +3. Iron, tin also. Tin is Sn. Stannous, Latin name is stannous. Tin is coming +2 and +4. +2, +4. And then phosphorus P. P is valency 3 and 5. 3 and 5, +3 and +5. 3 and 5 right also valency 3 and 5. 3 and 5. And sulfur 4 and 6. These elements having variable valency.